So most people are going to want to shape the ball one direction or the other.
Yeah.
Fade or draw. The reason why you don't really want to hit the ball straight as a default is that, one, it's very hard to do. You don't know if you're going to hit it left or right.
Yeah.
If you choose one shot shape, you can essentially cut your target in half.
Okay.
From a left on the right side.
Yeah.
And if you're going to hit draws, you're always going to start the ball to the right and try to bend it back toward this.
Yeah.
If you're hitting fades, it's the other way around, right?
Yeah.
So that means that if I choose to hit a draw as a default shot, I know that I'm always going to essentially be playing with this side of the course.
Yeah.
Very rarely should I overdraw it or hook it and go left.
I see.
Yeah. But if I hit it straight, a pull left or push right can both be like equal misses, but you double the width of like your circle.
Yeah. I see. Yeah. Like a fade or a draw more so? Like does it matter which one you pick, or like what do you think?
Most people will benefit from hitting draws because they'll hit it a little bit further than fades. On tour, you're going to see a lot of guys hit fades, but usually it's because they hit the ball so far that fades actually give them a little more control.
Okay.
But the shorter or the slower a person gets, the more they can actually benefit from draws.
Okay.
Yeah.
So then I guess I would ideally want to hit a draw then.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right. This is essentially the swing plane.
Okay.
The swing plane kind of starts on the ball line. So wherever the ball's resting, the base of that would be like here, right?
Okay.
And then that would extend on this side as well. Okay. So you can imagine that is a flat surface, like a board.
Yeah.
And so swinging on plane just means that this club, as it starts moving, is just traveling up and down that on both sides.
Okay, that makes sense. Do you ideally want to stay just on plane?
In the takeaway portion, so like from here to club parallel here, it's really important to stay on this.
Mm-hmm.
As you take it back, past this,
Yeah.
the club will rise a little bit.
Yeah.
So the club head and the shaft will actually leave this.
Oh,
So it's going to start rising above it.
Yeah.
But then on the downswing, we want to be able to drop it back.
You still want
to
to go back on plane, I see.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. And then like when it drops back on plane, then again it traces this into the ball that way.
Yeah. Okay.
So we know that the club moves on a circle. The circle can be represented kind of like this. It should be curved, but we only have straight sticks.
Yeah.
So as this club head is moving along the path, it's arcing inward a little bit.
Yeah.
Right? So it's not going to be moving in a straight line back, straight line through.
Okay.
The hand path is in a concentric circle with the club path. So the hands are also moving on the exact same arc.
I see.
So if the club's here, the hands are over here.
Yeah.
The club is moving on a circle. It's arcing inward and arcing inward on the other side too.
Yeah.
And so in a backswing, the club's going in and up. It rises.
Uh-huh.
Then it starts coming down and out. It's still moving down and out this way. Then it levels out. Then it circles back in and starts going up again.
Okay.
We know that we have to hit down on a ball with an iron.
Yeah.
So that means that we're always going to be trying to hit a ball somewhere around this portion of the circle. Because if I hit a ball where the circle flattens out, I would probably hit the ball with the shaft straight up and down, so I might just thin it.
Oh, okay.
But also it could mean that this club head is starting to arc too much toward my left.
Oh.
And so I don't know if I'm going to pull it. So hitting the ball earlier in the circle means that I can always make sure that I'm swinging a little bit out to the right, but also down. Because down and out is the same thing relative to the circle. So if I just set up here,
Yeah.
the very, very middle of the circle would be somewhere around the left shoulder.
Okay. That makes
Because
sense.
that's essentially when this club head and the left arm gets thrown into one line like this.
Oh, okay.
So this would probably be like appropriate for a driver release.
Okay.
Where I'm delivering the shaft straight up and down, like giving it its kind of true loft or even adding loft, it feels like.
Yeah.
But with an iron shot and with wedges, anything except like a driver, we want to be hitting down. So if we're hitting down, we're hitting the ball somewhere around here. The shaft is now leaning forward, the hands are forward at that point.
Okay.
So this is essentially the same thing as this.
Yeah.
This shaft leaning forward is the same thing as this stick pointing that way. It's like represented in 2D.
Okay. I see.
If we set up with the hands forward, I'm setting up, making sure that this club is already prepared to hit down.
Oh, so you want to just naturally, instead of like setting up in the middle, you set up a little bit forward. Yeah. Okay.
Because if I set up in the middle, right, if I have the ball here and I do this, I'm already treating the club as if it's here.
Yeah.
Right?
I see. That makes sense.
So I like to have the ball a little bit more back relative to the left shoulder.
Mm-hmm.
So that means that the hands and the club shaft are leaning forward a little bit. It doesn't have to be super forward.
Okay.
I'm going from about the middle of my hips to the inside of the left thigh.
Okay.
So that will essentially put this left arm and shaft in one line, kind of leaning this way.
Mm-hmm.
In real time, when I hit a ball, the club is still moving down at this point.
Uh-huh.
And then it's going to reach the lowest point somewhere around here. Because it's still going down and it's going to flatten out. Right?
Okay.
So we have essentially two low points. We have the low point of where does the club touch the ground.
Yeah.
So if I hit it back here, I'm chucking it, right?
Yeah.
But then there's the low point where the circle reaches the very, very bottom of its arc.
So it would be like under the ground? Is that what you're saying? So then, so the first low point is when you first touch the ground.
Right.
And then so the second low point would
is
be
the
like
very,
here.
Yeah, very, very bottom before it starts to come back out.
Ah, I see. Okay, that makes sense.
Having the hands forward is always the biggest fundamental.
Mm-hmm.
Starting with the hands forward is important because then it makes it easier to return there.
Yeah.
If I start off with the hands back here, then I have more work to do that.
I see.
Another thing we want to do is shift the circle forward. So
Okay.
shifting the circle forward happens when we get the weight forward.
Yeah.
So these sticks, which kind of look like this to start, are still going to be moving this way on the downswing.
Yeah.
So I'm never going to actually rotate and hit a shot with the circle static. Like I don't just stand here and just go like that with my body.
Mhm.
I rotate and I have to go forward to get the circle to go even more forward,
Yeah.
and then rotate again.
Okay.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Are you familiar with the ball flight laws?
No.
Okay. What it tells us is that the ball is always going to take off in the direction of the face,
Yeah, that makes sense.
and then it curves relative to the path. People used to think the opposite. I mentioned how the balls earlier in the circle struck, clubs moving out to the right a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
The swing path can be represented as this. This is the target.
Yeah.
So the path is to the right of the target, and the face is going to be somewhere in between. So the way the draw works, I swing along this stick, in to out,
Mm-hmm.
but I point the face here at impact. Club's doing this. I'm swinging along the outer line.
Yeah.
I hit the ball here.
Okay.
This face matches that middle stick.
Ah.
So that face is not the target. It's a little bit right at the target.
Yeah.
Why does it have to be right at the target? So the ball starts right, and so then it curves over.
Ah, I see.
This differential, path, face, notice there's a gap, that creates
Yeah.
the curve, right?
Oh, okay.
So in a neutral draw, I hit this ball, the ball takes off on this line,
Mm-hmm.
curves, drops on the target.
I see.
Let's say that I took this face, right?
Yeah.
And I moved it to match the path. Now I hit a ball, club and the face are moving the exact same direction along the outer line.
Yeah.
What do you think is going to happen?
I'm not sure.
Ball will start on this line, zero curve. So the ball's just going to go straight right.
Oh, Yeah.
Yeah, because there's no differential, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's take this face, point it at the target now. Path hasn't changed, but now the face is at the target at impact, so I gotta go, I'm swinging on the outer line, face looks like that at impact.
Mm-hmm.
Now what's gonna happen?
You're gonna pull it,
Not necessarily.
but like, or go ahead.
What do you think the ball's gonna start? So remember, I mentioned that the face is here, right?
Yeah.
It takes off on the target line,
Uh huh.
right? But because I'm swinging so far into out, it'll take off on the target line, but then it'll hook to the left.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So those are the rules. Those are the rules for the ball flight.
Yeah.
Face is start line, path is curve.
Okay.
To hit a draw, face has to be right of the target, left of the path.
Okay. Right over.
So let's say I want to hit a fade. Here's the new path. It's out to in. Now it's pointing left of the target.
Yeah.
And the new face is here. So now I'm swinging along this outer line to the left. Phew.
Yeah.
Face is on the middle line.
Mm-hmm.
It's left of the target,
Mm-hmm.
but it's right of the path. So that
Yeah.
creates that differential. So now this ball goes, phew, and then
It lands on the target.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So to hit an effective fade, face has to be closed. at least relative to wherever you're going.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. People mostly will fall on one of two ends of that.
Mm.
But for most people, this makes the most sense, and it's probably easiest to learn.
The draw.
Right.
Yeah.
Because it's kind of just built into the circle.
Yeah.
Right?
It looks more natural too, I think.
Yeah. You can pretty much grip a club in one of two ways. Lead hand turned clockwise, so you see more of the top of your hand.
Mm-hmm.
That would be considered strong.
Okay.
So the more I turn the hand clockwise, the stronger it gets.
Yeah.
The more I go counterclockwise, it gets weak.
Okay.
We want to see a grip that's more neutral, if anything, on the strong side. So
okay.
neutral is just this. My hand rests like this. So if I just have my arms resting in their natural orientation and I put my hand on the club, there we go. I can see about 2 of my knuckles on my left hand like this.
Okay.
If I held the club up to your eyes like this, and I turned my hand way strong,
Yeah.
the only way I can move this club face is this way, closing it, right?
Yeah.
So people who have a stronger grip have an easier time closing the face. If I go weak, I can't turn my hands this way now. I can only go this way. Not only that, if I start with my left hand really weak,
Yeah.
well, my shoulder has a natural orientation. As I start taking it back, I'm probably going to want to go back to neutral with this arm and shoulder. And so that means that if I kind of fix what I'm doing to start and I do that, then I open the face and I can swing normally, but the ball will go right.
Oh.
For you, we're going to take your grip. Right now, you have like a 1 knuckle grip. We got to go to 2 knuckles or 3 knuckles.
Okay, so like,
Yeah.
pretty strong then. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. If I'm just setting up to hit a ball, I would lean this forward first, and then
Yeah, lean it forward, get the club face good.
and then
Yeah, and then put the left hand on. Yep, there we go. Yeah, boom.
okay.
Another thing that's important, keep these hands really close together by riding that right hand up to the very top of this thumb here. So what I mean is we take this right hand and we go.
Oh, so even more up?
Yeah.
Oh shit. So like around here, you think?
Yeah, like we're covering pretty much most of that thumb.
Oh, okay. It ends up being like one
Unit.
and
one
instead of
unit.
like 2 different things if it's not as Oh.
Exactly. If I had the hands split up like this,
Yeah.
then I'm pushing really hard with this hand.
Oh.
On the downswing, I can start casting.
Oh, okay.
We ride this club head up the original shaft plane from here to club parallel. So we're going to be kind of slightly above this or on it. Club face is pointing down, so that's more neutral. What you're going to want to do too with the wrists in your takeaway is we do start off with the cup in the left hand because the grip is strong.
Yeah.
But when we start setting the wrists, the left hand flattens out. So I don't keep this cup in the left hand from here to here. I have to let that actually flatten out.
So does that mean like you're kind of like rolling it in a little bit?
It does roll a little bit.
Yeah.
And it's kind of a reaction to the right hand as well, because if I set it with a neutral grip, I have a cup in the left hand, and then my right hand is pretty flat. If I set my wrists and do that, they're changing places. Now, this back wrist is bent back, and then the front wrist flattens out.
Yeah.
So if I take it back with a neutral or strong grip, and I keep the cup in my left wrist like this, I won't be loading the shaft, but also I'll probably be rolling the club face open as well.
Yeah.
So I have to actually take this cupped lead hand at my setup and flatten that out to here.
Okay.
And then I carry that with me all the way to the top of the swing.
Okay. Can you like help me feel what that like flattening out feels like?
Yeah. Okay. So you take it back. As long as you get this face to point down, then that will be flat.
Oh, okay.
So the moment you start to turn that toe up, cup comes back.
And then
there we go.
Okay.
So here's our takeaway. On plane, club face neutral.
Okay.
And then in the backswing, keep that left wrist the same orientation, so still flush against the forearm. Cock the wrist a little bit more, bend the right arm a little more. There's our full backswing, right?
Oh shit.
And then on the downswing, keep that there. Drop the club more behind us, because we're trying to shallow it out a little bit more. Bend the right knee a little bit more. There we go.
Oh fuck.
And then we're going forward. So here is pretty much the mirror image of the takeaway. So we can be on plane or slightly inside because we're trying to draw it.
Yeah.
Club face is now pointing down. Now we just trace this to the ball along that yellow line.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're going to feel like that at impact. So we're going down into the ground here, and then we come back out this way.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. So then, like, you have like a checkpoint. You want to check like halfway through to see if it's parallel, and then you
Halfway
bring it
down.
up.
Yeah, it's like halfway back, halfway down is like 2 good checkpoints to have.
Oh, okay.
Like in the old takeaway, club face was pointing straight up,
Yeah.
and on the old downswing, shaft was like kind of thrown outward a little bit.
Yeah,
and also
yeah.
club pointing up.
And I mean, it was also thrown out because of, like you said, because of the hips. I was too locked out here.
Mhm,
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Stop at club parallel in the backswing.
Like that?
You can stop a little lower.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
just right there. Like hip high, club shaft parallel to the ground. At this point, too, you can actually have the hands closer to you, more inward.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it'd be like that?
Yeah. Remember how I said that the hands and the club are moving on concentric circles?
Yeah.
So the hand path should actually be moving inward in the takeaway.
Because it's following the inner circle.
Yep.
So that would be like that.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
Mhm. And on the way down, yeah, point that down more. There you go. See that? That's better.
Ah.
Then we hit it from there. Yep.
Then it would be.
So go to the top again. Club face pointing down early. Yeah, good.
Fuck. I need to here.
Yep, perfect. Yeah,
And then.
all the way to the top. Perfect, nice. Okay, now shallow out the shaft and rebend the right knee.
Shallow. So like.
So
come
drop
down.
it behind you. Exactly, drop it behind you. Good. Now slide forward with the hips a little bit. Now pretend to hit the ball.
Like
Yeah,
that?
that's the idea.
So when I come up to the top here, and let's say I'm like this,
Mm-hmm.
do I go up like this and then go like that? What I've seen sometimes is like, what if I just end up going like start ending like this, or like getting up to the top like that?
When we organize the plane early by getting this club to just trace this,
Mm-hmm.
the club will naturally start setting on plane this way.
Oh, okay.
So usually we want to just get it to here, make sure it's there on plane. Once I start finishing the wrist set and turning, club will just naturally sit on the plane that I need it to sit on.
Okay.
So we just kind of just get it to there, and we do have to just kind of keep it there.
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna take it to here and start to lay it off. from
Yeah,
there
yeah,
or-
yeah. I see
or
what you're
stand it
saying.
up,
I see
yeah.
what you're saying.
Someone might take it inside, and they have to stand it up from there, and they go like this.
Yeah.
Or they might take it outside, and they have that look.
So that's why you keep it on plane to the top, and then you start bending the right wrist and trying to shout.
yeah,
Okay.
So it's like the plane that I established here at the top of the backswing.
Yeah.
It's gonna do that on
Yeah,
transition.
yeah.
I'm gonna do one more thing, okay?
Okay.
Your neck is gonna start cocking to the right to start.
Oh, really?
You cock the neck to the right, you move the eye line to the right as well to match the direction you want to swing the club.
Oh.
So faders also have this look where the eyes look more like that,
Yeah.
and on the downswing they'll have this look where the eyes start feeling like they shift to the left.
Yeah.
So we actually have a feeling we're doing that. The right ear is getting to the right shoulder.
So you're like kind of just like tilting
Yeah,
low-key everything.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
So like if I look at you, you're the ball, I'm hitting you, I'm going.
Oh, okay.
And make one backswing for me. Good. Yeah. Good. Perfect. Very nice. So you don't have to hit it from there, but that's the feeling. Yep. Good.
Like that.
Yep. Start right there, okay? Your eyes
Uh-huh.
are left. You gotta get them back to the right.
Oh.
It's alright. don't
Yeah,
worry.
yeah.
Do it again, okay? Go back to impact.
Oh.
Yeah, you gotta shift the eye line back to the right.
Mm.
And that means the shoulders are more shut.
Okay.
Really more square at impact, like
Yeah.
square to your target line.
Yeah.
But that's your look, right? Hands are forward,
Oh.
shoulders are more this way, neck
Okay.
more to the right. So do it again, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Yep, shallow it out now. Get to the bottom, cock the neck to the right, more right.
More like this?
Yeah, you're still looking at the ball,
Yeah.
but you're looking at this way. Yep.
Oh,
Cock the neck right.
Like that?
Right, yeah. So you got to tilt it to the right. Get the right ear down to the right. There we go. Boom. Okay. So when you shout it out, you're going to feel a connection on the right arm. Right arm kind of pins to the side and stays on the side even as you release the shaft. Yeah, even as the club gets to the ball, there's a connection there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So to help feel that too, if I put my grip end here in front of your hands, and then you make your backswing, so take it back, then come down. Yeah, make sure the hands stay inside that grip on the downswing too.
Okay.
Yeah. So the other version of that is set up again. Set up again. Yeah. If I had this here, take it back. Now drop the hands down on the downswing. Yeah, keeping the hands inside of that shaft.
Okay.
Yeah. So the moment you start colliding with the shaft, you get in trouble.
Ah, okay.
There's this thing we call, centrifugal force.
Yeah.
So centrifugal force means if you spin anything in a circle, like things want to throw outward.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
You know those amusement park rides where it's like there's like a hanging cart, whatever. Hanging cart hanging from it's like this, right?
Oh, yeah.
And the machine it starts off like this.
Yeah, and then as it spins, everyone widens out. Yeah, I know.
That's centrifugal force. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So the club naturally wants to be thrown out away from the body on the downswing. But we have to actually rein that in a little bit.
Yeah.
So we rein it in mostly with the connection of the right arm to our side.
Okay.
So the humerus, the top of the right arm. If I keep that tight on the way down as I release the shaft, I can still release the shaft hard, but I keep the orbit of the club head under control. The moment I start losing the right humerus, let's get thrown out. Yeah.
Okay.
So we do have to actively rein in centrifugal force by feeling like we're actually pulling the hands back into our side.
Okay.
To counteract the
So
outwardness.
pulling it in
Yeah.
is maybe the feel that I should be fine, like that way you're trying to talk about, like what I should tell myself.
Right.
Okay.
Hit your rib cage with your right elbow. Just boom.
Okay.
Now drop it down. Kind of keep the hands inside of the grip.
Drop it down?
Yeah. Yep. Keep the hands as far away from this shaft as possible. There we go. Yeah. So that's what you should be doing with your real swing.
Okay.
Yeah.
I kind of feel that.
So it's like the hands and arms are swinging more under the shoulders
Yeah.
rather than out away from the shoulders.
Okay.
Yeah. Huh.
Oh.